Need a beach umbrella for your next trip to the beach? So did we. It could look easy, but finding the right sun protection that will stand in strong wind, will stand firmly in soft sand, and take the toll of time, is not an easy task. Apart from this and your budget, you'll have to make sure your beach umbrella gives enough protection from the sun. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 beach umbrellas on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Sun Ninja Pop-Up Beach Tent. Still trying to figure out how a good beach canopy works for you? Can't decide which one best suits your needs? Sun Ninja Beach Canopy might just be the solution to your hunt. It's a super portable and lightweight model with additional UPF 50+ sun protection. You can set it up within minutes and work on solid ground and fine sanded shores. You'll find this beach canopy from Sun Ninja appealing if you're a light packer. Want a purchase worth more than what you paid for? Sun Ninja might tick your boxes. To help you land on the best beach canopy, we tested Sun Ninja. Let's see if it lives up to all its promises, or they're nothing but typical PR BS. Lightweight and packable, making it super portable. Time-saving, easy setup. Fabric both protects you and is protected from the sun. A versatile beach canopy you can assemble by the shore or garden. Extra stretchy material provides broad coverage. Triple overlock reinforced stitching ensures durability. It's machine washable. Number 2. Sport Brella Vented Sun and Rain Canopy Umbrella. Designed to protect you from the sun, shelter from the wind, and keep you dry in the rain, Sport Brella Portable Sun and Rain Beach Umbrella is a XL tie-down shelter. It's the retractable side flaps, with windows, along with the height and canopy setting that sets this one apart and makes it useful for different activities. We're talking about sporting events, backyard parties, camping trips, and, you guessed it, beaches. But is this more than a beach umbrella product, great in every setting, or does it compromise too much? We looked at the Sport Brella Beach Umbrella to see the extent of its usefulness and quality and to measure its value against other similar sunshade options. Number 3. Beach Bub All-in-One Beach Umbrella. Beach Bub All-in-One Beach Umbrella is endorsed by the American Lifeguard Association. With one of the best anchor systems available, it's also acquired a loyal fan base that made it even more appealing for us to put to the test. This beach umbrella promises to protect you from dangerous exposure and stay upright. To give you an all-around review, we've evaluated the Beach Bub All-in-One Beach Umbrella and determined that it has quite a few nice features with only a few drawbacks. Things we don't like: the umbrella's height isn't adjustable, it can't be tilted, the size of the shovel is too short, which makes it tricky to dig. Things we like: reinforcement stitching at 11 canopy stress points makes the umbrella durable. Sufficient UV protection with maximum 47 square feet of shade. The shoulder strap features a good amount of padding for comfortable transportation. Number 4. Cheap Beach Cabana. Many beach umbrellas are sturdy but difficult to set up. Assembling them takes so much time and effort when all you just want is to relax and enjoy the refreshing sea breeze without getting sunburned. This is where the Cheap Beach Cabana comes in to save the day. It is easy to put up and disassemble, requiring no prior technical knowledge or skills. The design is reminiscent of a 4-posted pavilion, but it is, in fact, still an umbrella. Let's dive in to see if it is worth having for your next beach trip. Number 5. Amsun Heavy Duty High Wind Beach Umbrella. If you are looking for a durable beach umbrella that will remain anchored in the sand, you have probably heard of the Amsun 6.5 Beach Umbrella. Beach umbrellas are primarily designed for beach use. However, over the years, they have become multi-purpose and portable enough that you can also use them in almost all outdoor settings. In this review, we will report whether this beach umbrella does what it needs to do and what sets it apart from other beach umbrellas. Things we like: offers sufficient coverage from the sun for big groups. Stands sturdily. User-friendly. Portable. Combination of tilt function and coverage, follows the sun all day. Things we don't like: burying the sand anchored deep into the sand may be challenging at first. Product color shades online are misleading. Let's dive in. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.